Welcome to MelanatedTec, where we drop gems for those in the cloud native space. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share so we can grow the MelanatedTec community. Here is that I'm talking to women who are in tech or women who are going into tech. You've already been in tech. Now you're going to the next level, getting a PhD, like a boss. So I'm talking to women and allies who can be anybody who is interested in helping us get our foot in the door in their career. So my first question is, what is your current role and how does it relate to the cloud native space?
I'm a second year PhD student at Purdue, computer engineering, and I'm doing research. My current research is based on transparency log monitoring. It's like finding a distributed way to have like monitors at scale to monitor particular systems. And all these applications, they are hosted on cloud. The system we are building, the monitors, they are like diverse hosted on cloud. So bringing them all back together, it's all like based on cloud. And coming here so far, what I've been doing so far has been like using like cloud systems, finding out how to interact with them, how to make all of them work to solve like a common problem.
Okay, that's perfect. So the next question is, how did you get into the technical field? The traditional route or non-traditional?
I think I got in the traditional way because while in undergrad, I interned as IT support. That's where like I got introduced to both in technology, LAN systems, networking, cloud. So like from the internship, I really like made up my mind I want to like explore this space. But I wasn't exactly like sure what exactly I want to explore. Like I know there is software development, there is infrastructure side, there's operations. But then I started with operations. I did a couple of like system administrator work. Then I did application management before I transitioned to SRE. And so far it's been like really like great experience because you tend to like use a lot of magic to like solve a lot of problems and get the work done. There are disadvantages, like I can say there are more opportunities here, definitely, and there are a lot of motivations. But of course, yeah, there are a lot of opportunities in Nigeria. Of course, I started in Nigeria. I worked with like a telecom company before I moved to a fintech.
Nigeria is a hot spot for tech talent.
Yeah, I mean, it does not, in as much as like most of the tech companies are located in like a particular area. You don't have fleets like in all the states, but like Lagos is like the hub of tech.
Yeah.
Like a lot of tech companies, and they're really doing a lot of nice stuff there. Like they're doing a lot of amazing stuff there. Like I so much love my job in Nigeria, but I just had to leave because we had like a lot of opportunities, like as black women, as I don't know, the culture there is very nice. The pay is okay. They have a lot of spec. They train you, like they give you certification vouchers. Like they just encourage you to like learn. Like a lot of technology. There's always incentive to always like be on top of your game in terms of technology. Native came out like HEMS and all of that. Like it's really like interesting. My point basically again is that these opportunities are in Nigeria. I mean, most of us think it's outside, but you have to like start somewhere in Nigeria.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. There definitely are more opportunities here in the States in cloud native because we're originated.
Yeah, definitely.
And that if you could recommend one thing or provide one piece of advice to a woman wanting to get into technology, whether she's a career changer or someone that just graduated from high school, secondary school, what would it be?
Don't feel intimidated. Like sometimes you just like you Google people and you see that they are doing big stuff, they are solving like big problems, and you feel like, where do I start from? Like they don't just wake up overnight and become who they are or they started doing what they are doing. Like they have like baby steps, and everybody struggle like while starting. Like I know like when I started I struggled a lot. I had to like do a lot of certification, do a lot of learning on my own, but then I mean, I look at my friends and they're doing well, and I kind of like know when they started, so it's kind of a motivation. So I would say, like, if you want to go into tech, like, go for it. Google like resources that will help you, like, you know, go from point A to point B, get the necessary training, get the certifications. Don't feel that you can't get to point A because you're in point B. Everybody's struggling, even people in point B. So just know that struggle is like what everybody's passing through, and just utilize your own and find a way to maximize your potential.
What a beautiful answer. Thank you. One more time, how do I pronounce your name properly?
Chinenye.
Thank you.